Hey everyone, this is Michy Dex Commentary, and today I have to speak on something serious. Cliff Hughes went on air and said Mark Golding should chill and step back for 2 years. Really, Cliff? Since when is standing up for the people a bad thing? Let's talk about it. Cliff Hughes, a respected journalist and veteran broadcaster, basically told opposition leader Mark Golding to sit down and be quiet just because he lost the election. Cliff, that's not how democracy works. Losing an election doesn't mean losing your voice. Mark Golding was elected to represent the people, and that includes speaking up when things go wrong in this country. Jamaicans are struggling. Cost of living is up, corruption cases pile up, and leadership feels out of touch. So why should he chill? The people need representation, not silence. Cliff, you always say the media's job is to speak truth to power, yet now you're telling someone else not to speak up? That's a double standard. You can't say you defend democracy while trying to silence one of the few people still holding the government accountable. Journalists should challenge leaders, yes, but not by discouraging them from doing their job. Mark Golding standing up in Parliament is part of the democratic process. The opposition's voice keeps the government honest. When you tell him to back down, you're telling the people to give up their watchdog. Mark, if you're listening, don't back down. Don't chill. The nation is watching and depending on strong leadership. Keep showing up. Keep speaking out. This is not the time for silence. It's the time for courage. So Cliff Hughes, next time you use your microphone, use it to empower, not silence. Mark Golding, keep standing tall because Jamaica needs your voice. And to everyone watching, drop a comment below. Should leaders chill after an election loss or keep fighting for the people? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Michy Dex Commentary, where truth still has volume. See you next time.